Today I read something that made reality feel like a science fiction movie. You know, the stories where machines don't just help humans, they start doing the thinking too. Today's story is about something real, not just science fiction anymore. Robot scientists. Hi everyone, I am Elena and this is BioInformatics Today, your quick science news update from the frontier where AI, biology, genetics and medicine meet together. Today's news. Scientists are now building systems where AI designs experiments and robots perform them in the lab. The AI looks at previous data, decides what experiments should be done next, and sends instructions to lab robots. The robots then mix chemicals, grow cells, measure results, and send the data back. This creates a closed loop. Think, test, learn, repeat. Humans do not touch every experiment anymore. The system can work day and night without getting tired. If you enjoy short, practical bioinformatics news like this, tap like and follow. I share one every week. Why it matters? This matters because biology is extremely complex. Cells have thousands of genes, proteins, and interactions. Our human brain cannot understand everything at once, so we simplify. But these simplifications are one reason why many drugs fail, even after years of work and billions of dollars. Robot scientists can test many more possibilities in many combinations without simplifying too early. The hope is that they can handle biological complexity better than humans and maybe make fewer mistakes. What I learned today is also a bit scary. If robots can design experiments and run labs, will they take scientists' jobs? Some routine lab work might disappear, but at the same time, I realized something important. Robots are very good at testing, but they don't dream. Robots still need biological understanding to work well. Platforms like GeneXplain focus on curated knowledge, gene regulation, pathways, and mechanisms that represents decades of human thinking. This knowledge helps AI systems avoid random trial and errors and stay grounded in real biology. I think robot scientists will change how science is done, but not why. Humans ask the big questions. Humans imagine new ideas. Humans decide what really matters. Robots may reduce failures, but human creativity gives science direction. If you want to explore this future with me, where humans and machines discover together, follow this channel. See you next week.